Namaste and hello friends. The next asana of our beginner series is the Malasana. Nowadays, because of our lifestyle, the squatting position is getting really hard. This traditional posture in Hatha Yoga is very useful to improve the legs and core strength so as to make our squatting positions better. So let's plunge into the practice of an excellent and easy hip opener asana. Let's try to do the asana with a general approach so we can see the errors and we can do the corrections later. If we see deeply in this posture, the heels are lifted, toes and knees are not in line, the body is falling forward, the body is hunching and the spine is not straight. So this is the common mistake that we usually do while doing this posture. Now let's try to do the posture in a correct way. First, coming into squatting position with your feet at least 1 or 2 feet apart. If you don't find it comfortable with 1 feet or 1.5 feet, then make it 2 feet apart. Now after doing this, try to bring your palms together. Arms are pushing the knees out so that you can feel the opening in your hip and pelvis region. Engage glutes muscles once your feet are down. Often we forget to use the core region, so one has to engage the lower rectus abdominis. Ankles and feet has to be in a safer position. Knees and toes facing in same direction. Use elbows to assist by pressing your inner thighs to make them away from each other. Holding the posture longer time, it's common to feel the muscle down the front of your shin to start fatigue. It is because this muscle that pulls against the tension in the calves and assists you from falling backward, but with the practice you will be at ease of it. Then we get ready for the next asana, which will be in next video. So now we are going to do the practice with the support. We use the prop, a brick. You can place a brick underneath your hip region. One can also take a support by placing a rolled up towel or blanket underneath the feet region, depending upon your comfortability. After placing the prop, try to come into the posture. The hips are on the brick. You are pushing the arms so that you can lift your chest up. Once your chest is lifted, try to push your legs more out with the help of your elbow region. Your elbows are pushing out your legs. Make sure you're not going back and forth. Try to be stable in the posture. If you're finding it still difficult, then you can place the brick in a vertical way. Breathe. The spine has to be straight. You're not blocking the way of your chi, prana or energy. Long inhale and exhale. Keep pushing your legs out with the help of your arms. If your heels are up or lifted, it indicates a limitation in the Achilles tendon and calves. So make sure you have to feel the body is comfortable while doing the posture. Lowering the prop is a direct indication that yes, your joints are getting more open and you can do the posture, the asana, without having any support in near future. Keep practicing the asana. Stay healthy and happy and see you in next video. Take care.